Fruit chef knives are specially designed kitchen knives that are perfect for cutting and slicing fruits with ease. There are many products available to choose fruit chef knives, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best fruit chef knives from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. 440 A stainless steel ultra-sharp pocket folding chef knife. The Senin portable folding chef knife is a versatile tool for outdoor activities like camping, BBQ, and fishing, as well as small kitchen tasks at home. Its 440 A stainless steel blade is hand-sanded to a very sharp edge and features a wire drawing treatment for a clean and aesthetically pleasing finish. The knife handle is crafted from natural olive wood, polished and ground by professional artisans to create a beautiful texture and durable feel. Its 4.8-inch blade folds down to a compact 5.4-inch length, making it easy to carry on the go. It also makes a great gift for any outdoor enthusiast or cooking enthusiast. Number 2. LENSO Paring Knife 3.5-inch Small Kitchen Knife. The LENSO Paring Knife 3.5 inches is a must-have for any cook. Made from imported German ThyssenKrupp high-carbon stainless steel, the blade is incredibly durable, firm, and rust-resistant. The knife is hand-polished to ensure maximum sharpness and edge retention. Its short blade is designed to provide enhanced accuracy and precision, making it ideal for jobs where control is essential. The full tang and forged bolster provide superb robustness and balance. The unique shape of the ergonomic handle ensures optimum comfort, control, and agility. With a lifetime and 100% money-back guarantee, you can enjoy your purchase without risk. Number 3. Zylus Chef's Knife. The Zylus Chef's Knife is a high-quality stainless steel knife that is perfect for all your cooking needs. With its sharp edges, this knife can easily cut through fruits, vegetables, herbs, and meats. The knife comes with a protective sheath cover, making it ideal for camping or storing in your kitchen drawer. The ergonomic handle with soft rubber grips reduces hand fatigue, allowing you to use the knife comfortably for long periods of time. Zylus kitchen tools are trusted by both everyday cooks and gourmet chefs, making this knife a must-have accessory in any kitchen. Number 4. Mosfiata 5 Chef Knife and 3.5 inches Fruit Knife Set. The Mosfiata 5 Chef Knife and 3.5 inches Fruit Knife Set is a high-quality, multi-purpose knife set that is perfect for all your daily kitchen tasks. Made of German stainless steel, the set resists rust, corrosion, and discoloration. The sharp edge and 14-16-degree sharpening angle make it easy to handle, while the sturdy ergonomic design and micarta handle minimize wrist tension and provide a secure, comfortable grip. The set comes with a knife sheath, making it easy to store and protect your fingers. Plus, it comes in a high-quality black gift box, making it the perfect gift for family or friends. Number 5. Pot and Paring Knife. Looking for a reliable and efficient paring knife? Look no further than the pot and paring knife. With its 3.5-inch blade, this knife is perfect for small and precise cuts that require essential control. The pointed tip allows for intricate cuts or checking the tenderness of meat and vegetables. The knife's high-carbon German stainless steel blade is super sharp, with a 15-degree edge that makes it ideal for fruit carving, tomato slicing, and more. The ergonomic ABS handle provides a secure and comfortable grip, reducing wrist tension. The knife's hammered pattern reduces drag and sticking while you work, and the mirror-polished blade adds an element of elegance to any kitchen. Plus, it comes in a sturdy box with magnetic closure, making it an ideal gift. Try it risk-free with Potten's lifetime warranty against defects in material and workmanship. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.